Jump sublimation ko is Nonoy. Number 20, Kenneth Tiner sending for Bibot Talingting. Bibot Talingting, up Pinoy step! Good for 2 points by Bibot Talingting. Up Pinoy step mga kaibigan. Ang angas ng tondo. Inaras itong Gerald Dagot. Number 10, JB Erpayuan. Bang! By ng Santa Monica. Dampot itong Bibot Talingting. Bibigay kay Erbuloy. Aldrin Dagot. Huli ka boy! Hindi makakapayag yung JP Descalzo. Number 52, Frank De La Cruz. Nasuklian din. Nation ko is Tonoy BCB. Number 10, JB. Pinapagpag yung Bibot Talingting. Number 10, JB Erpayuan. Bang! And good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight you're about to witness the 11 Mayor's Cup Basketball Tournament ng Munisipyong Quezon. And matches to be played per team of Jump Sublimation ko is Nonoy BCB laban sa team ng Axars Matis. And before the start of the game, introducing first our officiating official for this basketball action, our head referee, the regional technical head of SBP Mimaropa, Sir Jack Alteriejos. And umpire number 1 from Puerto Princesa, J.R. Candilena. And umpire number 2 from Municipality of Aborlan, Sir Ronnie Di Guzman. And our fourth man officiating from Municipality of Nara, Sir Jimmy Barion. And her the starters for team of Jump Sublimation ko is Nonoy BCB Sportswear. Starting with wearing jersey number 13, ang Kevin Durant ng lalawigan ng Palawan, JP Descalzo. And wearing jersey number 14, Jack Policarpio. Jersey number 73, the son of legend, EJ Rodriguez. And import from the city of La Tatak 45, Mark Sinesa. And jersey number 10, ang angas ng tondo, JB Erpayuan. Ang crowd favorite dito sa minamahal nating munisipyong Quezon. And the starters for team of Axars Matis. Starting with jersey number 77, Bagot. And wearing jersey number 10, Toto Suelo. And wearing jersey number 1 from Barangay Matahimik, Puerto Princesa, Justin Magbanwa. Import, the former PBA player from Blackwater, number 26, Ambuloto. And number 20, MPBL player number 20, Kenneth Tiner. Isa na po yung ating ball game. This is a game, Axars Matis laban sa team ng Japo Kois Tonoy BCB. And the ball is up, time is on, let's get it on, let's play some basketball. Dampot ng team ng Jump Sublimation ko is Tonoy BCB, number 14, Jack Policarpio, bigay, the son of legend, EJ Rodriguez, short. Para sa unang tapon nitong EJ Rodriguez, sending for JB Erpayuan, number 10, import, the crowd favorite. Import by JB, not good for JB, put back by Mark Sinesa, ang hari ng panalay ng number 10, JB, sending for JP, number 73, bibigay sa number 45, ang hari ng panalay, Mark Sinesa. Bibigay kay JP Descalzo, number 10, ang tinaguri ang gagambang gising ng Puerto, na steal nitong number 77, good for 2 points by Gerald Bagot. No good there for JB. Toto Suelo, number 10 for your team of Axars Matis, sending for former PBA player for team of Black Wanderers. Mga gabi sa 1K viewers po natin, number 45, ang hari ng panalay, fade away shot, no good for Mark Sinesa, put back by JB, good for 2 points, JB Descalzo. Nagkakamali ng laglag dito kay Jack Policarpio, kuha ng JB di diskarte, JB sending for Mark Sinesa, import Gombi. With 5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining time, number 10 JB sending for EJ, the son of legend, EJ Rodriguez, 3 points. 4-11, 5 minutes and 10 seconds, number 20, Kenneth Tiner. Pansamantalang ilalabas ni Justin Magbanwa at papalitan ng Binetes, the pride of Santa Monica, number 26, Ambulodto. Blackwater itong Ambulodto, number 26, with 4 minutes and 15, number 14, Jack Policarpio. Gandang pasa kay Mark Sinesa. Sa palitong Mark Sinesa, number 10, JB Payuan for Jack Policarpio. Rodriguez, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 20, Kenneth, not good for tenor. Putback, wala pa rin. Once again, Binetes, not good. Dampot, nagagambang gising ng Puerto Princesa. Sending sa kidlat ng bayan ng Brooks Point. Ikutan ng bola, Mark Sinesa. Bigan, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 2, Bibot Talingting, no good for Bibot. Kuha nitong number 14, Jack Policarpio. Alio Binetes. Good for Oye Rodriguez. Good for 2 points by EJ Rodriguez. 1 minute and 38. Kenneth Tenor, 2 points. Pride of Santa Monica. Dampot itong Bibo Talingting. Bibigay kay Erbuloy. Aldrin Dagot. Huli ka, boy! Hindi makakapayag yung JP Descalzo. Number 52, Frank De La Cruz. Nasuklian din yung pisong sinukli nitong JP Descalzo. Dahil nasapal din yung Frank De La Cruz ng bayan ng Brooks Point nitong import Kenneth Tenor, number 20. 8-point lead with your team of Japan Sublimation, Kois Nonoy. And call for a double foul. Number 45 for team of Japo and number 20 Kenneth Tenor for team of Axors Matis for team of Red Shirt. Number 52, ang kidlat ng bayan ng Brooks Point, Frank De La Cruz. And basketball for team of Axors Matis. We have only last 25 seconds. Toto Suelo, 3-pointer. Toto Suelo, Binetes, bibigay kay Toto Suelo, ikutan ng bola, Binetes ang tatapos, pero sobrang malakas yung attacking Binetes. Number 10, JB, gandang pasa, Pong! What the pass by JB, sending for Kenneth Tenor, attacking inside, floater by Kenneth, no good. Tapikan ng bola, kuha ng batang Frank De La Cruz ng bayan ng Brooks Point. Nice pass for Jack. Stolen for your team of White Shirt. Justin Magbanwa ng Puerto Princesa. Lilipad. Nice flight by JB Payuan. Nag-sit ng play, harassing by Justin. Papasewin yung depensa from the top of the table. Jumper, nothing but net. Punit kung punit by JB. Pero nandoon na yung Justin Magbanwa. Good for 2 points by Justin. Per 10, JB sending for Frank De La Cruz. Ibibigay sa import ang crowd favorite, JB! 3 points! Talagang pag nakashot yung JB Payuan, nagsisigawan yung ating mga crowd dito sa munisipyong Quezon. Number 45, Sinesa, sending for EJ Rodriguez ang tatawid ng bola. Bibigay kay JB, pangatlo, pangatlong 3-point by JB! At napatawag na nga po ng timeout with your team of Axors Matis. Number 10, JB sending for Nino Calilong. Mark Sinesa! Good for 2 points, Mark Sinesa! Ang angas ng tondo. Inaras itong Gerald Dagot. Number 10, JB Payuan. Bang! Good for 2 points, JB Payuan! 3 minutos for the second quarter. Number 10, JB. Not good. Put back for JB Descalzo. Good for DJ. Napika ng bola. Kuha ng team ng Axors Matis dito sa kabilang banda. 2 minutes and 25. Kenneth Tenor. Tenor sending for Justin Magbanwa. Pagpag si EJ. 100 by Justin. No good for Justin. Kuha nitong Bibo Talingting number 2. 2 points by Bibo Talingting. Isang napakagandang atake at napakasimpleng pagbanat nitong Bibo Talingting. But number 73, EJ Rodriguez. 3 points. Frank De La Cruz number 52 sending for JB. Gandang pasa at ikutan ng bola. Pero huli. But put back by JP. Wala pa rin. Kuha ng team ng Axors Matis. Justin lilipad. Good for 2 points by Justin. 30. We have only last 30 seconds. 35-44. Kenneth Tenor. Tiner. Napalibre itong Kenneth Tiner, mga kaibigan. 5 seconds. 37-44. Kenneth Tiner. Not good putback. Good for 2 points by Kenneth Tiner. Rodriguez, lalaglag sana kay number 14. But number 1, Justin Magbanwa sending for Kenneth Tiner. The golden hands ng Palawan. Jared Trinidad, 3 points. Or number 13, JP Descalzo, no good there. 9 minutes, Justin. Itatabla na yung laro. Good for 2 points by Justin. All 44 points. Buloto, bibigay kay Kenneth Tiner, number 20, import per team of Axors. Kenneth Tiner! Good for 2 points by Kenneth Tiner. All 46 point. Wala na pong lumalamang sa ating ball game. Number 10, JB. Not good for JB. Pero merong nakuhang foul. Last sinapal free throw by JB Erpayuan, number 10. Ang angas ng tondo. Not good. Hindi bumasket yung tira nitong JB Erpayuan with 6 minutes and 50. Kenneth Tiner. Not good for Kenneth Tiner, but there's the foul. Pero panahon para lumamang ng team ng Axors. Last sinapal free throw. Number 10, JB Erpayuan. Bang! Good for 2 points by JB. Erpayuan yung kalamangan for your team of Axors. But number 26 sending for EJ Rodriguez, the son of legend. EJ finding JP Descalzo. What a good combination. Basketball action. We have only 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 14, Jack Policarpio sending for JB. Hinanap si Nino Calilong. EJ Rodriguez, the son of legend ng Puerto Princesa, EJ Rodriguez. 3-pointer, 48-54, 6-point lead. Number 10, Toto Suelo, floater, Toto Suelo. 5 minutes and 3 seconds, 4-point lead for your team of Chapo Sublimation. EJ Rodriguez, 3 points. Dalawang free throw to kay Justin Magbanwa. First free throw, good for... Last sinapal free throw against jersey number 1, Justin Magbanwa. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 73, EJ Rodriguez. Perimeter jumper. Lista mo na, EJ Rodriguez. Suelo sending for number 1, Ambuloto, number 26. 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. Number 10, Toto Suelo. Good for 2 points, Toto Suelo. 58-59, EJ Rodriguez. Napakalayo! 3-point by EJ Rodriguez. Second, 60-64. Number 1, Justin Magbanwa. From the 3-point territory by Justin Magbanwa. 3 points. Nakita si number 73. Supalpal yung inabot kay Justin. 1 minute and 25. Number 26, Ambuloto. Pass break for Justin Magbanwa. Number 20, nirelax yung bola nitong Kenneth Tiner sending for Justin. We have only 8 seconds on the shot clock. Justin Magbanwa, nice footwork. We have only last 15. Number 77, bibigay kay Kenneth Tiner. Number 20, not good for Kenneth. Number 52, Frank De La Cruz. We have only 3 seconds. Number 10, JB. And JB Descalzo. Basketball count at may kasama pang foul. JP Descalzo, good for 3 points by JP. 30 seconds, Toto Suelo, number 10, sending for Bibo Talingting. Outside, Bibo Talingting, 3 points. 72, 2-point lead again for team of Axors. But Frank De La Cruz, boom, bubusay, 3 points. De La Cruz tambay ng Brooks Point. Hindi man umuulan pero nagpapaulan ng 3-point for both teams. But Kenneth Tiner, 73-74. Good for 2 points by Kenneth Tiner. Pass by EJ Rodriguez. What a nice pass by JB Erpayuan. Ang angas ng tondo patungo kay EJ Rodriguez, the son of legend ng Puerto. With 8 minutes and 50 seconds, ikutan ng bola, Jared Trinidad from the 3-point territory. Jared Trinidad lead. Isang nakati, 4 puntusan na para sa grupo ng Axors Matis laban sa team ng Jumbo Sublimation ko. Stonoy BCB. Number 10 JB. Pinapagpag yung Bibo Talingting. Number 10 JB Air Payuan. Bang! Good for 2 points. JB Payuan. Oh, no good for Ambulod to. Kuha nitong EJ Rodriguez, number 73 para sa grupo ng Jumbo Sublimation ko. Stonoy BCB. And call for a jump ball. Tinawagan ng jump ball mga kaibigan. 7 minutes to go. Number 13, JB Descalzo. Sending for JB. Huli ng Jared Trinidad. Number 20, stolen for team of Red Shirt. Frank De La Cruz, number 52. Number 2, sending for Kenneth Tiner. Bang! Good for 2 points by Kenneth Tiner. Number 10, JB sending for EJ Rodriguez. 3-pointer, no good for EJ. Number 10, Toto Suelo. Another fast break. Number 8, Jared Trinidad. Good for 2 points, Jared Trinidad. Sinesa, 6 minutes and 5. Ambuloto, number 26. 1-on-1 against Mark. Julion, tapika ng bola. JB Air Payuan sending for EJ Rodriguez. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. JB sending for number 73, EJ Rodriguez. Bounce pass, JB Descalzo. Nice save nitong Bibo Talingting with 5 minutes and 30. Pass break. Bukas na bukas at open yung number 10, Toto Suelo. Good for 2 points, Toto Suelo. Number 14, Jack Policarpio. Body stolen for your team of Axos. And number 20, Tiner. Point lead for your team of Axos. Number 10, JB Air Payuan. Floater, yes sir. Hindi. Number 20, Kenneth Tiner sending for Bibo Talingting. Bibo Talingting, a Pinoy step. Good for 2 points by Bibo Talingting. A Pinoy step mga kaibigan. 81-92. 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Pero merong action na nangyari doon sa loob ng ating hardcourt dahil nga po sa mainit na labanan. Talagang mainit din yung mga player ng ating bakbakan ng team ng Jumbo Sublimation laban sa team ng Axors. Titignan natin kung ano yung magiging hatol ng ating officiating officials. And first call po natin, call for unsportsmanlike foul against number 13, JP Descalzo. And number 26, Ambuloto. Number 26, call for unsportsmanlike foul for the team of Axors. And call for a technical foul for number 10, JB Air Payuan. Para sa grupo ng Jumbo Sublimation ko is Nonoy BCB. 4 minutes and 33 seconds for calling a double unsportsmanlike foul. Arrow position po tayo. Bola po ng team ng Jumbo Sublimation ko is Nonoy 4. Back to the ball game. Number 10, JB Air Payuan. No good for JB. Time number 20, Kenneth Tiner. Kick out for Bibot. Bang! Talingting! 3 points. I think for Kenneth Tiner. 1 minute and 4. Kenneth sasayaw. Harassing by JP Descalzo. Kenneth Tiner! Number 20, Kenneth Tiner. Stop in a pull-up check. Good for 2 points, Kenneth Tiner! And 101. Number 1, Justin, sending for Toto Suelo. Last 13. Number 2, Bibo Talingting from the 3-point territory. Bibo Talingting! Ladies and gentlemen, that's the end. Last in the final quarter. Our official score, 87-104. Congratulations for team of Axors Mapis! Congratulations!